Trucking accidents are different than accidents involving small cars or other small vehicles. At Stutes Lavergne, we understand that difference and the uniqueness of a trucking accident, including the complexity of the legal issues, the complexity of the federal laws that regulate trucking, and we understand that these large trucking companies and insurance companies are experts at defending cases like this, and we're experts at taking down that defense and obtaining the recovery you need, which includes getting you to the doctor you need to see, getting the tests you need, getting your vehicle repaired, and doing all of that for you while you focus on getting better, whether it's your injury or getting your family better from the ripple effects this injury may have had on your family.